Hi guys, today we're taking a look at the new PlayStation Portal, which is an accessory that allows you to remote play on your PS5. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. So I'll be showing you around the packaging, unboxing it to show you what you get inside, and I'll take a closer look at the design of the Portal to show you what it's like. This video is just an initial look at it before I do my full review, which will be coming out next week. But before I begin, if you're new to the channel, hope you can support me by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of my next release. And if there's anything you want me to cover in the full review, let me know in the comment section below. A big thank you to PlayStation for gifting me this, although all opinions are my own. Let's first take a look at the box. It's rectangular in size, with the top part of it in PlayStation blue and the rest of it is in white. On the front you have a picture of the device with it saying remote play on the left, and on the right it states that you'll require a PlayStation 5 console and Wi-Fi to use the device. On the right hand side it provides some details on the contents of the packaging, and on the back you've got a picture of the PlayStation 5 and the Portal together with some general details. Opening up the packaging, you have another box which has a tab on the end. The tab has a hard feel to it which isn't bendable, and it has the PlayStation symbols on there. So you've got your X, square, triangle and circle, and you use this to pull out the inside. Looking at the top you have the PS symbol, and lifting this out, underneath you have an integrated box which contains a cable with a USB Type-C connection at both ends, which is 144 centimeters long. Next you have the Portal, which has a cover on it, and underneath, removing the cardboard separator, you have the instruction manual. Taking a closer look at the Portal, the design looks pretty cool, with it being literally a DualSense controller cut in half with an 8-inch screen in the middle. It has the color combo of a standard DualSense controller, with it being white and black. It weighs in at around 533 grams, although the manual says it's 529 grams. Size wise it's 30.5 centimeters wide, has a depth of 11.5 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters. The controls are identical on either side to a DualSense controller, where on the left you have your D-pad, left stick, create button, with there being a PS button next to it. On the right you have your action buttons, a right stick, options button and a mute button next to it. There's LEDs on each side which come on when you turn on the device, and I'll show you that in my full review. On the top, on either side, you have your left and right bumpers and triggers which feel exactly the same as the DualSense controller. At the sides of the screen you have two built-in stereo speakers, and underneath these you have your power button, PS Link button, which allows you to pair the Portal to some of PlayStation's newer headsets using their new connectivity standard called PlayStation Link. And on the other side you've got your plus and minus volume controls. The back looks like an elongated DualSense controller, with the back panel being matte white and smooth. Underneath you have a USB Type-C port for charging the device and an auxiliary port allowing you to plug in wired headphones. The grips have small PlayStation logos on them, but this fades out when you come to the middle panel. The grips feel nice and grippy, just like on the DualSense controller. There's small holes in the middle at the top and bottom of the screen which are for the microphone, and it has a built-in lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 4,370 milliamperes. It takes around 2.5 hours to charge, and this can be done via the USB Type-C port at the front of your PlayStation. There's no Bluetooth connectivity, and it supports both Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Overall, the Portal feels really good with a strong build quality and feels pretty comfortable in your hand, just like a standard DualSense controller. So that's my initial first look at the new PlayStation Portal. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. I'll be doing a full review of the Portal next week, so if there's anything you want me to cover in the full review, let me know in the comment section below. And for those of you who've got to the end of this video, please leave a comment with the word Portal, as it's awesome to see who's got to the end of my video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. You can follow me on my socials. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be notified of my next release. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.